How to fix Snapchat not opening? Can't open Snapchat? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes to get you back snapping in no time. Go ahead and open App Store and search for Snapchat. Hit search. Once the Snapchat is here, you can see update right here. If the update is available, tap on update. Okay. The next thing you can do is go to Snapchat and tap on your profile at the top left corner. Then tap on settings at the top right corner. Here scroll down until you see clear cache. Okay, once you find clear data, tap on it. Now you can see clear cache right here. Tap on clear cache and tap on clear again. Okay, the next thing you can do is make sure your device has enough free space. You can delete the unused apps or files if needed. Okay, tap on OK. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restore your router to fix the connectivity issues if you have connectivity issues. If nothing else works, you just uninstall the Snapchat by long pressing on it and tap on remove app and delete app and reinstall it again, and it may help. That's it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Snapchat solutions. Comment below if you have other tech issues you want solved. And thanks for watching.